Alright, this is a weird video, not relevant to anybody really, but just to show techniques I use to find something. So this here is a Samsung SSD, it's a dual layer SSD. This is the bottom part. A friend of mine who is currently in the process of joining two of these, and he accidentally ripped that pad from the top part. That's him reballing it all, and that's him putting it all together. Even the welding is good, but when he attempted to put it on the motherboard, he made an awful mistake, unfortunately. So a pad got ripped. Anyway, look at that, that's a very nice finish. That's what he had done. That's the bottom half. And all he had to do was solder it back. Too much heat or whatever. Look at that, that's very nice. That's this part, yeah. Anyway, so he wants me to find out where a particular pad goes to. So on his one, he's ripped this guy. He wants to know where he goes. I don't know where he goes, but I know this one is ground. How unfortunate you have to be to get a ground. It's in many places. Okay. So one technique I'm going to use, I've got here a piece of metal. Now, it seems okay. I mean, the other sides are, some bolts are missing, but no big deal. But yeah, I'll bring this guy. Here we go. So this is pulled straight out of the board. No work done on it. Yeah, there's a ripped pad there, the giant one on the top left. Okay. So what I'm going to do, put this on a metal surface here. So this metal surface itself is conductive. So if we press here and press there, we should have a continuity. I'm going to press down on the chip. So he may be lucky that he goes nowhere. So press down. Oh, the probe is on the... Yeah, nothing. Just to show, maybe this guy was that ground? Yeah, see? This one is not ground, but I touch there, I can get a reading. But him, nothing. So that's a very good sign. I'll just keep pushing around. Nothing. Let me try here. So that one is. That's not. That's not. That is. That is not. 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 That is. Interesting. So he may be lucky. So another technique is using a bunch of wires like this. So I'll put this on the bottom. I'll stick the one end of the probe, the back of it, just like that. So there is continuity. See that? There is continuity. So we'll get the chip. So just like that, put that there, for example. So we're interested in pin number 4, nothing. So that's connected. Let's move it around. Nothing. Let's move it more around. Nothing. More strands. No. No, nothing. I'll move it around. No. Try there. No. 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 Okay, so that's probably a no connect. So you should be lucky. That's it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.